Hello everybody and welcome to the STM 1 Minute Tips here. Today we're going to be talking about, of course, our RocketBox 2.0. The tip we have for you today is simply how do we keep the inside of our vibratory plate clean. One simple thing we can do to make this happen is grabbing a 100-gallon trash bag. I'm going to open it up, as I've already done. And I'm going to find the seam in the middle of the trash bag here. Just looking for this little part. I'm going to place that on the inside of the machine and wrap the rest of the bag down around it. Making sure everything is about as tight as I can make it. When you feel like you have everything really nice and flat on the inside of the machine, you can then poke the bag around the two pins poking out right here. And that way, none of the inside of the machine is exposed. From here, if you have to do any last little tucking, I highly recommend, again, making sure at least the bag is tucked nicely around the inside edge of the machine. From there, you're set and ready to go to load in your bottom tray, your top tray, and conduct as many runs as you want to with that particular run of material. This is best suited for people wanting to keep isolated batches of material and quick and easy maintenance and cleanup for everybody too. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. My name is Christopher Mendoza. Please check out the rest of our videos here for 1 minute tips, as we're coming out with new ones all the time, and we have previous ones as well. Take care.